Good evening, everybody. We are starting the webinar. Uh, Today is this webinar was already uploaded on YouTube. People who had seen it would have been little more wise today. I will be showing you how the strategy which I'm going to tell you works and what happened in last 5 days and how well this can be used to get in almost assured returns per month from the market. So welcome once again. Standard disclaimer. This is a free education platform. We do not offer any kind of paid courses. We don't intend to change anyone investment or trading styles. All presentations under this forum are for education purpose. None of the mentors who will be presenting in this forum are SEBI registered, and we do not guarantee results in any form. We are only sharing our experiences. Please understand the concept. Do ample back testing and a paper testing before you take the trade. Very important thing is to understand how an option works is to understand on which platform you need to use it. Opstra is one of the platform which is freely available to all of us. And to make any kind of a hedge strategy, you need to understand how Opstra works. So Opstra app is an option analytics app comprising of several tools that help to find, analyze, and track options trading opportunities. An app to build and analyze option strategies of Nifty FNO stocks. It allows free strategy planning and storage of at least 2 trades only. Whenever you determine an option strategy, there are 6 steps. Formulate your investment objective, determine your risk reward payoff, check the volatility, identify events, devise a strategy, establish option parameters. We will come to them. You don't need not remember all these things. It is how you read the graph is most important. Now, how to start using an Opstra? Whenever you type Opstra options, you will end up opening up this page. There is a button which is written get started. We click on that. Then it comes, this page opens up. On the first window, you have a Nifty. There is a drop down window on the right hand side of it. You can drop down and choose any FNO stock. It can be Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, or maybe Ambuja Cements or your ACC. What all stocks are available can be done here. Next line is the spot price, the future price, the lot size, the IV percentile, and the Nifty IV chart. Next is the options. Here in the drop down, you can choose between the options as well as the futures. While the next, where the 27th May 2021 is written, that is the date of expiry you can choose. From here, you can choose the strike price of the underlying. For the Nifty, it can be 15,250, for example, maybe 15,300, maybe 15,100 put, whichever way you want to take it. Next is you can choose between the call and the put. Which instrument of the underlying you want to sell, a call or a put. Now, whether you want to buy or sell, please practice amply before you jump into the market. You can store 2 paper trades, so please try to do it that way. Next is the last is the option chain. Once you click on it, you will find this kind of a table which is opening up. On the left hand side of the screen is the last traded price, the chances of an ITM, that is the in the money probability, the IV, and the delta for the call options are given. While on the right hand side of the screen, you will have the same for the put. Call is when we are bullish, put is when we are bearish. Now, please look onto this strike prices very carefully. This I have already posted video approximately 4-5 days back, and this is for the 14th October expiry. And I have sold a 34,000 PE at 50 rupees and a 40,000 call at 49.1 rupees. Both are almost the same. My probability of profit is 95.35%. The chances of me losing onto this trade is just 5%. The profit which I'm going to make is 2,500 rupees. That is 2.13% on my capital deployed. Since it was made only 4 days back, or maybe 4 or 5 days back max, so in 10 days time, I will be making 2,500 rupees on 1,17,000 rupees, which turns out to be on a banking way is 2.13%. My safety range is 33,900 to 40,100, almost around about 6,200 points. And this was the PNL that it was standing on the day, on the second, I think this was on the second day. And the total capital deployed was 1,17,647. Now, whatever I'm going to show you today is when I will take you onto the Opstra is how I adjusted this position, how this range, the profit has almost, I've increased it, and still my 100 points are intact. The central line which we see, that is at 37,225 is the spot price of the underlying Bank Nifty. Now the options made easy. I get a lot of messages and WhatsApp messages, calls from everybody. So teach us options buying. If we go and bifurcate the success rate of buying versus selling is 65 is to 35. 65% of the time is the option sellers who win the game, and 35% times only the option buying wins the game. First, try to just double your money. Then when you have spare money, you have earned it from the market, then start doing option buying. I'm not going to jump into the option buying. First, we are only going to learn what is known as an hedge debit spread. And after that, we will go for the naked option buying. So please do not try to hurry up into trying to get into the option buying. Now, some basic points which you need whenever you are trading in options is understand the concept and the logic behind it. Observe the underlying movement and understand it properly on any technical analysis you follow. Your view on the underlying, that is Bank Nifty, Nifty or any FNO stock is most important. You cannot be bullish on the underlying, but you take a bearish positions in the options. So your view on the underlying is most important. Initially do a lot of paper trade, gradually increase your positions. Do not try to do 100 lots in a day or maybe 10, 20 lots. Do with 1 or 2 lots. You will be successful. Once the success starts coming, then gradually increase it. Despite perfect setup, the stop losses can be hit. Learn from the mistakes and always customize technique, but don't end up only breaking the rules under the garb of customization. Now, option selling, always remember, is very dangerous. It is considered to be dangerous. So you have to learn to play very, very safe. If you have not learned to play safe, then you are bound to almost wipe out your capital. In last month expiry, I was running 3.5 lakhs negative because I'm an option seller. I'm a writer. It is God willingly, it was by God of grace that the Bank Nifty fell by nearly 1,000 points and I turned into green. So be very careful when you're doing an option selling. So that's why this strategy is very, very simple. We are only planning to earn by theta decay, nothing else. Now remember these 4 P's. We all have passion to earn money. But do we have patience? Do we persist? We don't do that. And we only want profits. In one of my groups where I'm seeing people are there selling options. In just 2 or 3 days, they want 10, 20,000 rupees to come. It's not going to happen. The option prices really fall onto the very low levels in the last 4-5 days. So do not try, because that will only happen if there is a very big movement on one direction. So in a hedge position, your one will be on the winning side and one will be on the losing side. So you may not make good amount of money. Remember this graph, even when you are doing it, any option strategy, maybe option selling in any form is, remember the decay is the fastest in the last few days. In the first few days, you can see the curve is not very good. It is in this part, the curve is almost vertical. So that's why in that group, I many times end up only saying them is that you have not understood the concept behind it. See, unless you don't take it to the last 10 days or maybe last 5 days, you are never going to make money. If Dr. Sharath is here, he will be telling you that I asked him, we were all losing. Take it to the expiry. Either your losses will be half or you will end up in green. And all of us ended up in green. So you have to take it to the last day, but don't end up going 5,000 points away and thinking that it will come back. It will not happen. Now, if you put what is the most profitable option strategy in Google, it will come as the selling out of the money put and the call options are the best. And how much in return it can give you? Nearly 40%. And I will prove it to you today that it gives 40%. One of the gentlemen in one of the previous webinars asked me, sir, why don't you show us how a strangle management is going to be done? So today is strangle management for all of you. And this 40%, I will show you how it is made very easily. Now, when I decide to play very safe in options, I choose very far away call and a put option to sell. I choose when the delta is less than 10. ITM probability is also less than 10. I will choose somewhere around 6 or 7. Premium should be close to 50 to 70 rupees. And expiry should not be more than 10 days away. Take a screenshot. Delta should be less than 10. ITM probability should be less than 10. Premium should be around about 50 rupees to 60 rupees. And expiry should be around about 10 days away. Now let's go to Opstra to check these facts, whether what I'm speaking is true or false. Now you see, this is the October 14th expiry we have chosen. So I'm going to click on it. Now, first thing is I will allow you all to unmute yourself. So please do not unmute without raising your hands. Please be very careful on this part. Now, what did I show you? 50.9 and 49.1. This was my 34,000 PE and 40,000 CE. So total points I was getting was 99 or approximately 100 points. 25 into 100 was my total profit of 2,500 rupees. Now I am not happy with just 2,500 rupees. It is just 2.31. Ye dil mange more. So what I did was I exited both the options when their prices reached 20 rupees. So first it was for the put, the market went up. So I exited my put. So I pocketed 30 points out from here. And I came little more inside by selling a 35,000 PE, which was also trading at around about 41 rupees that time. So prior to that, it was coming to inside. So I sold this 41. Now again at 21 rupees, I exited this position. Now what happened was this position 39,200 was, I think so, was accidentally cut by me, and I just incurred a loss of 82.5 rupees into it. So it's not an issue with it. So my fresh position now is after the adjustments is 35,900 PE, which I have sold at 48.5 rupees, 39,300 PE CE, which I have sold at 47 rupees. And I'm at present running into loss of minus 200 rupees, approximately 250 rupees here. Agreed? Now I will show you when you analyze the trade, how it goes up. My probability of profit is 88.03. My profit has now increased to 4,294 rupees, which is around but 1,800 rupees more than what I was planning to from the initial these two positions. My range is 35,800 to 39,500. My range has decreased. I'm at present 1.2% in profit. I have almost doubled my profit. It was 813 rupees. So I've almost doubled my profit. And the capital deployed is just marginally increased by 18,000 rupees. So if I'm right in the center of this payoff graph, and I'm most likely going to pocket this whole money. So my chances of winning the trade is nearly 89%, and which is pretty good. So what happens is, if I take two positions like this per month and I pocket 4,000 rupees into 2 is 8,000 rupees, which turns out to be approximately 6.4% on the capital which is deployed. And if I say you are winning approximately for you are this much, I say you are only making 5% per month for 12 months, you can just calculate it is 60%. And what I showed you on Google was can annually just fetch you around about 40%. Isn't it? I'm not juggled around. People who know me, I juggle around in strangles this is not the way I normally juggle around. Somebody requested me, sir, you please show us this position, how you take it, how you manage it. I'm just showing you. I've taken a live trade into it. And I'm not worried about it. I don't even look at it whole day. I only see it when there is a big movement. So today the Bank Nifty moved up and down and came back. And again, still I am in green. And what my total losses running is minus 200. So tomorrow Bank Nifty comes down, nothing much is going to happen. This may come down to 20. I will move little more inside. So what happens is now, if Bank Nifty moves down about 300 points this way, this will turn out to be just 21 rupees. I will exit here. I will come at 38,400 rupees. But I will not try to come more than 1,000 point inside. So I will come somewhere around 38,400 or 38,600, which is again trading at 45 rupees. Which is again trading at 45 rupees. Since the delta of this position is going to be very low, the chances of it going to 100 rupees is very less. So my stop loss is at 100 rupees in this case, the SL is. So even if it hits, by that time I've already made that much loss from this position directly. So this is a very safe kind of a strategy which I have been doing. So if I regularly do it, now let's be very clear, is if I deploy 1.5 lakhs per month, so twice is, and I make 8,000 rupees on a monthly basis, into 12 is 96,000. Tell me any investment scheme which gives you this much money on this capital. Once you are a little expert, you can increase your entry from 50 rupees to 60 rupees. And max, you can go up till 70 rupees. Don't go beyond this. You can first try with 60 rupees. You will make good amount of money because the difference is not much, and you exit at when you make 25 rupees. And when you are doing at 70 rupees, you exit at 30 rupees. So keep on changing your position. Your position should always be hedged. So once you are in a hedged position, they are usually, unless there is a some kind of a nuclear explosion or a war-like situation, usually you will not end up in a losses. These are very safe strategies and which can give you approximately a very good returns. Now I'm almost done with the presentation and I'm stopping the recording. Okay.